Hey guys, it's me. I'm setting up my uh, small display board. I think I'm gonna have 3 or 4. This is gonna be the first one. And I want you guys to see if this is the way I should do it. Have some really cheap, weird boomer thingies. They're okay, but not really worth the money. And I have two 25 shots Saturn missiles here, and then I have Land of Freed, and it goes to a 300 shot Saturn missile to my Matrix Pyro. So what are you looking at? Then goes to 2 number 5 preloaded, then 2 100 preloaded. Tell me what you guys think. This is the way that I should